Hey guys, I want to show you how I start making profit with AntBot using Binance Futures. Okay, as you can see here on my chart here, you can see that I open short position at this level. All right, let me show you AntBot. You can see I open position there. All right, I open at price $20,773. Okay, around here. And the quota was $41, which is the positions, and I open short position. But you can see the market go against me. It goes up. All right, so what the bot will do, guys, the bot will do averaging. Okay, it will buy again at 20,937. Okay, you can see the market goes up here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So somewhere around here, it bought again. I'll put a horizontal line. So our average price, our entry price is no longer at this level. It will go slightly up here. Okay. And then the market keep going up, guys. The bot will do the second covering at around 1175. So somewhere around here. This is the second averaging. The market still doesn't hit our average price. Our average price should be somewhere around here. And then the market instead goes up again. So this time the fourth averaging 21,448. Okay, somewhere around here. So this is the third averaging. The market still goes up. So we'll do, this time I only set my order. Okay guys, let me show you. My max order only until 5. Okay, and then it stopped. And then I wait the market to hit near the resistance level. As you can see, this is a big resistance level, which I already teach you in the private training. Okay guys, I wait until the market hit around here. It goes out a little bit more, then I open the order. Okay, I open another order. So 6 out of 6. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. Now the fourth one is 22,350. Okay, 22,350. So somewhere around here. All right, somewhere around here. And now, where's my average price? My average price is probably 22,000 or something. Okay, so this is my average price here. So if the market goes below this is my average price or my break-even price. So if the market goes below this, I'm going to take profit. And I take $3 profit at 21,697. 21,697. So somewhere around here, this is where I take the profit. Okay, I make $3 from the difference. So as you can see, from our entry price here to somewhere around here. Okay guys, and when the market retraces a little bit, we already made the profit, as you can see, even though it goes against us. Now if you use the indicator, guys, you can see this is a wrong timing. Okay, look at it, the RSI is at the oversold area. I shouldn't open a short position here. I should have waited, okay, at least somewhere around here when the RSI at the overbought area. So this is already my mistake to open a short position when the RSI is at the oversold area. But if we look at the 4-hour chart, it's the same thing, right? It's at the oversold area. So sometimes we forget about it. Sometimes, the market moves too fast, we cannot react to it. So luckily, there's this retracement. Now this is very important, guys, to choose the coins. Okay, I already mentioned to you that we should only play with the biggest market cap coin, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. These are the top 3 coins in the coin market cap: Bitcoin, Ethereum, because the market cap is big and the trading volume is big, and BNB also is big. excluding this, these are stable coin, so ignore this. So these are the top 3 one. It is less likely to get manipulated, okay? And the price won't go up like crazy if you compare to, there is this coin. Okay, let me go find, I think FFM. Okay, so look at how crazy it got pumped, guys. 34%. I want to show you this. Okay, I want to show you this one. I want you to imagine, right, if you play with altcoins, look at this shit, guys. Let me make it bigger. Let me remove the drawing so you can see. Imagine guys, okay? Okay, let's imagine the good thing first. Imagine if you open long position here, bam, 280%. You make a lot of money. But who knows? Who knows? We don't know the future. So let's say you open a short position, your short position is going to suffer. Okay, as you can see, this is a huge pump. You could have gotten liquidated. So that's why I don't play with this kind of altcoins, because altcoins usually have very steep move. Okay, when it goes up like crazy. When it goes down like crazy. So you can see this is a huge roller coaster ride. Now, it wouldn't be a problem if you have enough money. Okay, guys, if you have a lot of money, maybe $100,000 just to cover this, it will be okay. But most people don't have enough money to do this much of averaging. You could have, needed literally maybe 20 averaging, maybe 15 averaging. Okay, so it will eat up your capital. You probably depleted your capital in 6 averaging. You don't even need 15. 6, maybe you already get liquidated. Okay, and it's hard to predict, guys. Very hard to predict. And if the market goes down, imagine if the market keep going up like this. Okay, so you would got liquidated. Okay, I'm telling you this because I have experience. All right, I got liquidated in the past because of altcoins. Okay, very sharp move. I'm gonna show you Wave USDT here. This is no mercy. Okay, look at it. There is no really good retracement to hit your take profit. 80% down, right before you see this retracement. So you probably will got liquidated already. If you open long position for Wave and then it keep going down, and you need a lot of averaging. Okay, your capital just couldn't handle it. Before there is this significant retracement, you need a lot of averaging. So again, try to avoid altcoins. I suggest stick around with this. If you have a lot more capital, you can increase your positions. All right, and I think these 3 are more steadier. Okay, safer. Okay, guys, compared to other altcoins. If you look at the 60-day change, it's like 15%, 27%. All right, sometimes you look at others, maybe it's a bit lower. Again, it's risk that you need to handle. Okay, this one like 20%, but look at the up, yes. But look at this, 65%. It's too volatile. Okay, again, it's too volatile. I pretty much want to see something like it's below 10%. Okay, in the 30-60 day marks. Okay, this is maybe a little bit steady. This one somewhat steady, 30%. Ethereum go up quite a lot though because of the merge coming, and BTC is pretty safe. I think BTC is much safer. Okay, Cardano, if you look at 3 months here, I mean Cardano is still okay though. It's not bad. Okay, they have a good retracement here. As you can see, if you go down, you have some good retracement. So yeah, again guys, it's just based on what I see. Okay, it's just based on what I see. I think this is more steadier. Again, you can do your own analysis, look at the coin, is it steady or not. Again, I already told you, look at the 1 year chart and see if it's not as crazy as this one, flamingo, that I just showed you, right? Look at this. Is this steady? Of course not. This is crazy. Okay, again, you can watch this video how to choose the coins, guys, and if you want more training about AntBot, you can click the link down below, and I will see you on the next video.